Okay, so to hang this mirror, we're actually going to use Loctite mirror liquid nails, basically. All right, you can get this in any hardware store. Make sure you get the stuff for a mirror. It's specially formulated so it doesn't damage these mirrors. Sometimes if you use the regular stuff, it can kind of burn through, and then you have a mirror stuck on your wall that has a horrible disfiguration to it. Anyway, what you want to do is you're just going to run beads of this vertically on your mirror, off center from each other. And what this is going to do is give a real wide surface for this mirror to adhere to the wall. And a big thing you don't want to forget before doing this is to prep the surface. And by prepping the surface, all I mean is clean it. Get all that dirt off there. If you had a medicine cabinet on there for whoever knows how long mine was on there, there is dirt, all right? So we cleaned for about 15 minutes. It's pretty spotless. We're going to get the liquid nails on here, and then we're going to hang it up. So let's get started. Now make sure when you're doing this to use a good amount of the Loctite or liquid nails, all right? You spent money for the tube, get it on there. You want this mirror to stick. So as you see here, I'm putting down a good amount. So I'm being pretty generous with it. And then I just go back and I kind of looked at where I needed to fill in again. And if I felt like I needed any more Loctite, then I put it in there. As you can see here, my assistant, my wife, is helping me out. So that's really what you want to do. Get it good and covered and you're ready for the next step. So what you want to do before you put the mirror up is use a piece of painter's tape and just mark on the wall where you want the mirror. Since we're putting it on top of some trim, we didn't have to measure anything but side to side. So we're using the tape as our marker. We centered it on the tape marks, and then for about 5 minutes, my wife and I sat here and held the mirror in place while the Loctite bonded. It's a great time for some communication and talking about really fun stuff while you're also hoping that the mirror holds. All right, so just stay there in place, hold it tight, and then the next step will be to apply some tape to hold it in place overnight. And for the next part, you're just going to tape it up really well using painter's tape. I choose painter's tape because it won't leave any residue on the mirror or the wall. It's really easy to clean up. And the Loctite or liquid nails, whatever you're using, should have a strong enough bond that the painter's tape is really just making sure it stays in place. Leave it up for 24 hours. Do not mess with it. And when you come back at the end, the bond should be pretty secure, not moving at all. Take the tape off, you should be good to go. And remember, you can never put too much tape on here. So if you just want to cover it, feel free. Tape it up everywhere and have the peace of mind. All right, here is the finished product with the mirror installed. All right, so as you can see there, the mirror is secure on the wall. Nice fit here. This thing is not going anywhere. All right. And yeah, there's a little bit of daylight here, but that's all right because we have the liquid nails all the way back here and here, right? We've got it all along here. So this is secure on here. This is not going anywhere. So yeah, that is how you hang a mirror in your bathroom using Loctite or liquid nails. I hope this tutorial helped. And if it did, make sure you liked and subscribe. And I'll see you guys later. Thanks. Bye.